Metal roofs. In this video, we're going to discuss installing or having a metal roof on your home. We're going to talk about the pros and the cons, the cost, how long they last, does it make your homeowner's insurance go up or down, what it's made out of, and a lot more details. And I will put a whole much more details in the description that you can read below. So this particular home was built about 8 years ago, and it's made out of steel. And it cost approximately $15,000–$16,000, but of course that was 8 years ago, and costs do go up. And of course, it depends on where you're living. Now, I'm talking specifically about the United States, and this roof, metal roof, is made out of steel, and which steel is a little bit cheaper than aluminum. And what they do is they have sheets of material, and they go from the top, and they install the sheets of aluminum. It takes approximately 7 days, about a week. And what they'll do is they use wooden nails and they apply it over the existing. So for example, if you have like an asphalt regular shingled roof that, for example, like this one, shingled roof, they'll apply it directly over the old shingles, the old roof, and they use long wooden nails and of course other supports as well. These roofs are made out of steel, and what they do is they put a coating on it. They put a zinc oxide coating in order to prevent rust, because as you know, iron and steel does rust. So they put a coating on it, which is pretty strong and does last, and that will protect it from the elements. Now you can actually have it made out of aluminum, and aluminum's a little bit more expensive. So for example, an average steel house like this or this will cost approximately between $8 to $18 per square foot, depending on where you're located. So for an average house, it'll cost anywhere from $12–$15,000, and it can go up to $30,000 to put a metal roof on. However, they last about 60 to 70 years if they're properly maintained, as opposed to a regular shingled house like these up here. Those last, from average from 20 years to 30, so they don't last as long as a metal roof. Now you can go with aluminum, like I said. It is a little bit more expensive, but it does not rust, and they don't have to put a coating on it. And they primarily use it on coastal areas, of course, near the ocean where salt is prevalent, and that's where they like to use aluminum. Like I said, this is made out of steel, and the great thing about steel, it's much more heavy duty and is much tougher. So if you're in an area like, say, Florida, or higher climates like this, where you might have hurricanes, you might have a lot of flash flooding and snow, it's good because it'll protect the roof from the snow, like from the weight of the heavy snow. In California, for example, with flash fires, where you'll have forest fires, it'll help prevent the house from catching on fire. So that's one good thing about having steel. Metal houses are usually made out of steel, then followed by aluminum, and then you can actually have copper houses. Those are a lot more expensive. It takes approximately a week for them to install it. So what they do is they come in sheets of metal, and they get it custom made for your particular home at the manufacturer. And then what they'll do is they'll bring in the metal, and then they'll install it. They'll use wooden nails to adhere it to the existing asphalt roof, like I discussed before. So the pros of having a metal roof is that even though they're a little bit more expensive, they last a lot longer. And in the United States, they have doubled. The increased amount of roofs in the United States have doubled within the last 20 years. More people are doing metal because they realize the longevity of it and how long they last. Protect from the elements a lot better when it comes to rain, snow, insects, hurricanes, flash floods, fires. So that's the huge advantage of them. And if you get lighter colors like this with the white, for example, they'll be better for your energy bill, because the sun, just like a car, it won't absorb the heat like a darker color would. So that's the one great advantage of having a metal roof. I think they're actually fairly attractive. When I first saw them, I was a little bit skeptical about them, but I think metal roofs are attractive. The more that you look at them, the more you realize that they are actually They actually look halfway decent. Now the cons, I would say the cons, of course, is the price. There's more of an up cost price to them. One of the cons to having a metal roof is the noise. So make sure that your attic is very well insulated, because that can be an issue where if it's raining, it can cause more of a loud noise. Like I said, the upfront cost of them, and yes, there is potential rust. Now, as far as maintaining them, yeah, you want to inspect it at least once a year. You could do it twice a year, but really once a year is all you need. And you want to make sure that the screws are staying in, and you want to make sure that that oxide zinc coating is not starting to wear out somewhere, and it could need to be repainted or treated. If you're a homeowner and you're contemplating on putting on a metal roof, let me know where you're located at, what your hesitation is. Let me know if there's any details that I missed, if you are a contractor, and let me know, put it in the comment section so other people can see. And definitely make sure you subscribe. Thanks for watching.